guys. I want 10 million subscribers by the end of this year. You guys could offer that, maybe. Only have 3, 4 subscribers. So it would be nice to have a play button. It would be nice to have a silver play button. Or gold one. And maybe a diamond one. Or maybe the ruby one. Or maybe the rainbow one. Or I don't know. But please. Can we try? Have a room tour. I'll finish my plush series. Do a Headstruck review. And I'll do some Lego mocks and some special videos when the coronavirus is over with some of my friends. Like Sabriel, remember him from the older videos? Yeah. He's my friend. Maybe Rowan, maybe Carlos, maybe Justin. Will make an appearance in one of my new videos when the coronavirus is over. And you might see my room behind me. Yep. But that's all I wanted to say. So if we could do that. I love all you guys. Even if I don't have a play button. You're all my fans. You all watch my videos. And I respect that. I'm lucky I don't have 1 subscriber. Yeah. If you're younger, you should tell you hit that subscribe button, make it turn gray, turn your notifications on so you don't miss another one of my videos, and like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next